Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by measuring the corner precisely before making design choices. Measure width, depth, and ceiling height in inches or feet and record each number. Note door swings and traffic paths that affect usable space. Decide a primary function for the corner, such as reading, storage, or display, before buying anything. Pick a function that meets daily habits and room flow to avoid wasted changes. Use a simple sketch to capture dimensions and select furniture that fits the recorded measurements and leaves walking space. Allow 18 to 36 inches of circulation between the corner piece and adjacent seating or walkways. Consider L-shaped shelving, a 30-inch armchair, or a triangular console to nest neatly into the corner. Use vertical storage such as 72-inch tall shelving to maximize height without crowding the floor. Choose pieces with slim profiles or shallow depths for corners less than 24 inches deep. Layer lighting to make the corner inviting and usable at all hours. Add a floor lamp or 7-watt LED sconce for task lighting and a small table lamp for ambience. Anchor the corner with a rug and use 12-inch deep baskets or bins for concealed storage. Keep accessories curated and scale items to avoid visual clutter. Maintain the corner weekly by decluttering and rotate decor seasonally to refresh the look and preserve functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.